Venting the bath fan up through the roof is very easy, especially when you are using Robert's roof cap. Here is a step-by-step process that's super easy to follow to get the job done right and watertight. The first step, go into the attic cavity, mark the spot where you want to cut it through the roof. You can mark it by either using a wood screw or pound a nail up through the roof decking and shingles. Make sure to center it between the rafters. Next step, go onto the roof and locate your screw coming through the shingles. Measure out 2.5 inches from the screw, which is the center of your hole. You will be cutting a 5 inches by 5 inches area using a hook blade to cut out the shingles. Then cut your 5x5 hole with a skill saw. Next step is to flash in the base flange that will be installed under the shingles. You will need to cut your shingles about 6.5 inches so you can slide the base flange under the shingles and over the vent hole. This is how you install the base flange under the shingles. Because of Robert's large, oversized flange, no caulking is needed. When installed like this, the base flange will be watertight. Next step is to have the vent tubing coming up through the base flange. Install Robert's coupler into the vent tubing, securing it with a 4-inch metal clamp. Then push the coupler back into the cylinder. The last 3 steps is to nail the base flange to the roof, caulk exposed nail heads, and install the vent cap onto the base. Congratulations! You have successfully vented the bath fan through the roof. This is Robert's bath cap.